Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, D.Bo? I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi, are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, D.Bo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane. What a nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, D.Bo. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second, are you a pop star?
Oh. Sure am.
My mom loves you!
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn?
D.Bo and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft. Ooh, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies!
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-dee-boop. Voila! You make bubbles.
And look how they float!
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you!
It is me! Just dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you! Check this out!
Catch me if you can. I've got new heights to reach.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, D.A.B.B. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.
Whoa, look at that! It's amazing how big dinosaurs were. You're right, D.A.B.B. There were bigger dinosaurs than the T-Rex. I wonder, what was the biggest dinosaur? Good idea, D.A.B.B. We can go back in time and find the biggest dinosaur. I'm gonna need wings and extendo legs.
Wings, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Okay, where is the biggest dinosaur? Whoa! The rock is moving! Oh! We aren't sitting on a rock. We're on a very big dinosaur's back. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.
Hi, Blippi and D.Bo. I'm Angie, the Argentinosaurus.
Whoa! That is a big name for a big dino. I have to break it up to say it right. Argentinosaurus.
That's me. So, I'm on my way to meet a friend. Oh, do you want to come along?
Thanks for inviting us. Do you want to race? I bet you can run super fast.
Actually, I walk slowly. That's part of being so big. Plus, I need to snack to keep up my energy. I eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
You want to get a selfie of you and all of Angie? Good luck, D.A.B.B. Wow, you're really long.
I'm about 130 feet long and 40 feet tall.
That's as long as 3 school buses and a little taller than a telephone pole.
Yummy. Up the hill we go. I'll be your bridge.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
This is where I meet my friend. Hey, good shot, D.A.B.B. We're both in it. Oh, and look, so is my friend.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, this is my good friend, Nina. Nina, this is Blippi and D.A.B.B. They're looking for the biggest dinosaur.
That's an easy one. You're the biggest dinosaur around, Angie.
Oh, I guess I am.
So cool! And I have the answer to my question. What was the biggest dinosaur? One of the biggest dinosaurs was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 feet long and ate plants and leaves all day. Upload answer, D.Bo. Bye, Angie and Nina.
Bye, Blippi.
Bye, Blippi.
Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond. Exactly, D.Bo. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky! Hang on, D.Bo. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo.
Well, hello there, Blippi and D.Bo. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. D.Bo is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
Woohoo! It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, D.Bo. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, look at that cute little squirrel digging a hole. Did you see her bury that nut? So true, D.Bo. We do need to know the answer. I wonder, why do squirrels bury their nuts? I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Look, D.Bo! This is an acorn. It's a type of nut, and squirrels love them. Here, squirrely, squirrely. We have an acorn over here.
Nuts! I need more nuts! I can't get enough nuts.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my friend D.Bo. We found a nut for you.
Nut? Oh, thanks for the acorn, Blippi. My name is Sparky. I'm kinda a nut expert.
Then you have to tell us, Sparky. Why do squirrels bury their nuts?
What? You don't bury your nuts? Huh? Come with me. No time to waste. We need nuts, 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 and more nuts. This is the garden, my favorite place to collect and bury things. You know, I can bury 25 things an hour.
That's a lot of burying. How do you remember where you put it all?
I keep everything up here in the old furry head. My memory is amazing. You think you can remember like I can? You want to try it?
We sure do.
Okay, now watch. Okay, do you remember where I just buried all those acorns?
Of course we do. Easy peasy.
Not an acorn.
This is harder than I thought.
Hello, yummy walnut.
We can't find any acorns.
That's right, because I take special care to hide my nuts so only I can find them. That's how I keep them safe. And then I'll dig them up in the winter when I'm hungry and food is harder to find.
So cool! And I found the answer to my question. Why do squirrels bury their nuts? Squirrels bury their nuts and other things so they can eat them later and have enough food during the winter. Upload answer, D.Bo. Bye, Sparky!
Bye-bye!
Keep digging! Whew! It's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet. Confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the BlippiMobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right, which means we have the answer to my question, why my popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Achoo! Thanks for achoo! Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs. Confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, D.Bo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, D.Bo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, D.Bo. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, D.Bo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar D.Bo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike. And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, D.Bo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa! It's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.